Today I'm upcycling this old pair of pants because they don't fit me anymore. Look how loose they are. The inner seams were a little worn, so I decided to avoid using that part of the fabric. I already tested this pattern to fit my bust, so I went ahead and cut out all the pieces. I originally wanted to make a dress, but I quickly realized I didn't have enough fabric. I cut the remaining fabric for the bottom section and finished all the raw edges with a roll hem. Not everything went smoothly. I accidentally sewed off the line a few times and had to unpick my stitches. I was too lazy to add a zipper, so I tried making tiny loops for a lace-up side. But it turned out really messy, therefore more unpicking. Instead, I sewed on a fabric strip and stitched small channels to create loops. I threaded the strap through and tied a ribbon. I wouldn't recommend this method unless you're okay with the odd seam lines. And I think it works much better with darker fabrics, so that the misalignment look less obvious. I really love the side lace detail. It's like a little peekaboo. I'm really happy with how it turned out and I had so much fun making it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe!